GeneQuest is LaserGene's application for locating genes, regulatory elements, patterns, and structure in your sequence. If you're new to using GeneQuest, it's helpful to understand a few of the basics before you get started, and that's what I'm going to cover in this video. So the first thing is to start a new project, go to File, New, and select the nucleotide sequence you want to analyze. The method curtain here on the left shows you the available methods that you can apply to your sequence. And the legend curtain here on the right shows you the methods that have already been applied. To apply a method to your sequence, just drag and drop it from the method curtain onto the assay surface here. And you can either apply the entire method, like I just did, or select specific elements within the method to apply. And you can see what's included in each one by clicking on the plus sign here next to the method name. For example, I can apply this base contents method here, which would show me the distribution of each of these items underneath it, which includes single bases, base pairs, and base skews. Or I can choose to apply any of these individually if I don't want to see them all, just by dragging and dropping them over on their own. Now to remove a method, all I need to do is just drag it back to the method curtain. Once you apply the method to your assay surface, you can easily change the appearance of it by selecting it and then going to the Options menu and choosing from one of these items at the top. I'm going to change the line color to red. Now, if you want to see multiple methods closer together to make it easier to compare them, you can actually combine all of them into one line. And I'll do that with the ORFs here at the top. Just select the ones that you want to merge by using Shift-click or Control-click. And then go to Options, Superimpose Objects. And that brings them all into one line for me. Now if you want to undo that later, you can. Just reselect them and then go to Options and choose Expand Objects. To change the parameters for any method, just double-click on it from the method curtain, and that will open up a dialog that shows you the available parameters that you can adjust for that method. Now, one little helpful hint I want to point out specifically is regarding restriction enzymes. If you're going to be applying restriction sites to your sequence and you don't want to apply them all, GeneQuest actually uses the same enzyme filters that are available to you in SeqBuilder. And you can see those by double-clicking on the enzymes method and then clicking the drop-down arrow in the selector field. And you can see all of the selectors are listed here. So if you've created a custom enzyme selector in SeqBuilder, or if you've edited one of the existing selectors, all of those changes will show up here and you can apply them to your sequence in GeneQuest as well. If you have further questions about getting started with GeneQuest or any other questions about our software, please visit our website at DNASTAR.com or contact us at support@DNASTAR.com.